1 second, everything is normal. The next, Earth stops, instantly. At the equator, the surface moves at over 1,670 kilometers per hour. When that motion stops in an instant, everything not anchored deep in the ground keeps moving, including you. The speed isn't the same everywhere. At the equator, it's 1,670 kilometers per hour. At 45 degrees latitude, 1,180 kilometers per hour. In Helsinki, about 830 kilometers per hour, and at the poles, 0. The closer you are to the poles, the slower you move sideways, and the smaller the deadly jolt when the planet stops. In cities, the stop is pure chaos. People, cars, and buses shoot forward. Winds over 1,000 kilometers per hour tear through streets, bricks, glass, and steel become bullets. Gas lines rupture, fires ignite, skyscrapers snap, and noise shatters. Eardrums in seconds, the skyline vanishes in dust, fire, and debris. Bunkers? They offer no real safety. When the Earth stops, inertia slams you against the walls like a car crash, but 1,000 times worse. Seas keep moving, unleashing mega tsunamis hundreds of meters high. Ships are smashed to pieces. Planes fly with the atmosphere at first, but with no runways and fuel gone in hours, there's no escape. At the poles, there's no sideways jolt, but storms and extreme temperatures still strike. On the dark side, the cold drops to -100 degrees Celsius, while on the sunlit side, it rises to deadly heat. A single day now lasts half a year. One side burns, the other freezes. Ocean currents stop, ecosystems collapse, and without the magnetic field, radiation floods in. Temporary safety exists only in orbit, and even that won't last long. Earth is home to 8.1 billion people. Perhaps only 50 to 200 would survive the very first minutes. Within months, fewer than 10, and in the end, none. It would be an unthinkable catastrophe. But the truth is, it cannot happen. Earth will never just stop spinning. So tonight, you can sleep well.